Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up a free VPN on Honor 200 Pro. You can protect your network with VPN, and to set it up, go to Play Store and download an app that will allow you to do it for free. Search for 1.1.1.1.1. Then press on install and wait a moment for the app to finish installing. Then click on open, then next, accept, and install VPN profile. Press on OK. Now you can allow notifications or click on Not Now. I'm gonna choose Not Now and enable WAP. After a short while, it will say connected and a key will display here. This key means that you are connected to VPN. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.